Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka and today you will find it useful if you struggle with figuring out how to find the right contractor for the project that you have to do in your work. So for example, if you have to fix your roof or you need help with plumbing or even putting a furniture together, how do you find the right contractor who has the right budget for your job? So today I will guide you step by step on how to find the right quote for the work that you have got. The first step is to find or create a project with the correct pictures and as much details as possible on tools like Yelp or Thumbtack. Now, keep in mind that I live in North America, and so these tools or these softwares are readily available to me for use, and it's free of cost. If you are in some other parts of the world, you need to find the right software that you can use to create projects. Then the software is going to send your project to the relevant contractors to which the contractors can reply. When you're creating a project, you give your email address as well as your phone numbers and as much details of your projects as possible, so that will give the contractors an opportunity to give you the ballpark of the quote to you by an email or phone. The next step is to keep checking your email and your phone for the quote. They will ask you for more information, in which case you need to provide that information to them. The third step is to find the right quote that works within your budget and then ask them to come and take a look in person. Now that is very important because when you send something online, they can get misguided by that. And then you want to make sure that they understand the whole scope of project by looking at it in person, and that the quote that they gave you is still valid of what they actually gave you over email or the shortlisted contractors that you picked. You want to have them come over and give you the exact quote that they will be looking at, that you will be looking at. The fourth and the final step is to pick the right contractor based on their reviews. I recommend going through most of the reviews or the newest reviews as much as possible, and then figuring out if the contractor is right for your job. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like the content, do subscribe for it. I will be coming out with another video of exactly showing how I do this on Yelp and Thumbtack, on phone, on the mobile app, as well as the laptop app. Thank you so much for watching, guys.